Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 top in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a retractable fabric roof. You also get keyless entry, 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. There's also a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, there's a speed limiter, and the car's done under 4,500 miles. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. If the car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.